T480A glossmeter. The instrument has to warm up for about 15 minutes, so while ours gets ready, I'm going to show you everything that you're going to need for your primary calibration. The first thing that you should have are your three 2-inch square glass standards. You should have 2 black standards and 1 white standard. Now it's important that these stay clean, but you can't just rub them off on your shirt. So in order to clean them, you'll need a cleaning solution, and you'll need non-abrasive, non-optically brightened cleaning wipes. Now in order to verify your calibration at the end, you'll need your paper verification standards. And if your instrument is like ours and it's not equipped with a vacuum hold down, you'll need your 1 kilogram weight. The last thing that we just suggest you have on hand in case you ever get lost along the way is your Technidyne operator's manual. Once you've got all of this together, we're ready to go ahead and get started. Now that everything's warmed up and ready to go, there's just one last note that I need to make before we can get started. This instrument that we're calibrating only measures at 75 degrees. If your instrument measures at another angle at 20 degrees, you'll need to refer to your operator's manual for further instructions. Now we're ready to get started. For our first step, you'll need your black standard that says Technidyne Gloss Standard. It has its value already assigned to it, which in our case is 97.3. We'll load it between the white lines. We're going to hold down the cal button and use the up and down arrows until the number displayed matches the number that was on the standard. When you let go of the button, the number should stay within plus or minus 0.1 of that assigned value. If it doesn't, you'll just need to redo that step. We can take the black standard off, and we'll replace it with the white standard, which also has an assigned value, which in our case is 96.7. When you load that one within the white lines, the number displayed should be within plus or minus 0.5 of the number that's on the standard. As long as it is, you're done with your primary calibration. Our last step is to check verification, which we'll do by using our first paper verification standard. You can go ahead and take that paper clip off, and you'll notice that there are boxes numbered 1 through 10. We're going to fold the page in half so that boxes 1 through 5 are on one side and 6 through 10 are on the other side. And we'll load box number 1 so that it fits perfectly on the white lines. We'll put the 1 kilogram weight on top of that. Now at this point, if your instrument is equipped with an automatic averaging printer, it'll record the data for you. But if not, you'll need to write this number down. You're going to repeat that step for boxes 2 through 10, and at the end you'll have an average. That average should be within plus or minus 1 of the average that came on your printout. You can repeat those exact same steps for the second paper verification standard, and that average should also be within plus or minus 1. If you have any questions, or if your averages aren't falling within the right range, you can refer to your Technidyne operator's manual, you can call Technidyne, or you can check out the website.